as you can see, I'm holding the power button in, iPhone 4S, won't do anything. It's waterlogged, by the way. If I plug the back charger in, take the sweat off time, that's for sure. It saves on 100%. But as soon as you unplug it, it turns itself off, so yeah. If you're having this trouble, all you have to do is just plug it in the charger and just simply leave it in. Alright, later.